and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ashley Welling Fitness. Today's workout I'm really excited for because it involves the BOSU ball. It's going to be a full body workout, legs, arms, abs, upper and lower abs. So we're going to do a few different workouts. I'm going to show you our exercises. I'm going to show you modifications. So if you're ready, make sure you have a water bottle. You can use weights too. And if you don't have a BOSU ball, you can easily still do these workouts. When you get one, try them again. All right, so first one we're gonna do, you are gonna flip your BOSU ball over so the soft part is on the floor. Your legs are gonna be around it with your toes out. You are going to drop it down. We're gonna do a little introduction with strength, getting our body warmed up, and then we're gonna hit some cardio. You're gonna drop down, looking at the ball, grabbing the outside ridges, the handles, bring it up over your head, and then bring it down. So bring it up, just letting it tap down. Now as you come up, you're pulling your abs in. As you raise it above your head, the flat part, you are dropping your shoulders down. Let's do 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, next, flip it over. Got your heart rate up, let's keep it up, okay? So next one you're gonna do, take your time to start it. We're gonna shuffle back and forth. So think about it like this, when you shuffle, your weight on one foot, you keep your heels lifted, and you shuffle, and you shuffle. Your weight stays centered, you're just tapping side to side. Okay? So we're gonna try it with the ball. Put one foot very top circle. Keep your knees bent, heels lifted. When you drop your heels back, your body may want to go back. So if you shuffle and you drop your heel, you may go back with it. That's kind of where people tend to get a little bit scared using the BOSU ball. So you ready? Let's go. We'll pick up the pace a little bit. See how my weight stays centered? I'm barely dropping my heel. Sometimes it may tap the floor, sometimes it may not. All right, keep it up, keep it up. We're gonna speed it up a little bit, all right? Let's go. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Yes. Short breaths. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Good job. All right, you ready to warm up those abs? Let's do some crunches. You're gonna sit right on the side of the ball, not at the very top, right down by the side. Your feet underneath your knees, and we're just gonna do crunches. Your heart rate's gonna start to go down, so we're gonna pick up the strength. So right now, no weights, no nothing. Your hands can be where you want them to be, but you're gonna extend back. This is where the upper abs are gonna get involved. And you lift. You breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Taking your time. Now I'm not letting my head fall all the way back. I'm still using my neck muscles. I'm using my core to control my upper body. Let's do 4. Lift up. 3. And 2, feet flat, last one. Good. Now, one thing I want you to remember when you do crunches, especially with the BOSU ball, you need to tuck your pelvis. Why? It's gonna take that arch out of that back. It will take some of that lower pain out of your back. If you still feel some lower pain in your back, we're just working on strengthening those abs. But just know your limits. So when you go back, pull that pelvis down, just like you do in my other workouts, and then you lift up, pulling that pelvis down, okay? Something I want you to remember, but let's stand up. So we did some arms, we did some legs. Let's carry on with those legs. We're gonna do alternating lunges with the squat. So, what I want you to think of, do not look at your feet. I want you to look front, creating that muscle memory, because when you start looking at your feet, when you go down and then you go front, you're changing your vision, which can actually make you more unbalanced. So you go into the lunge, picking up the back heel, and then squat, switch. Now if you saw, I just took a glance down right before that ball, just to know where I need my front foot to go. But then I look straight ahead. Lunge, back heel lifted, squat, I can still see my toes. Nose behind toes. Let's do 4, 3, it's gonna be wobbly, that's the point. And 2. Good, last one. Whoop. All right. Let's do the only exercise of this workout, flipping the ball over. Oh, actually, my bad. We're gonna keep it like this. I was thinking something else, so my bad. Let's keep it like this. I'm gonna go to a different angle for you because we're gonna do elbow planks with a leg lift. So you're gonna head and drop down, go into an elbow plank. Now, when you do an elbow plank, I want you to look at your wrists. When you start tucking your chin, your neck is no longer in line with the rest of your spine. Now you're on the balls of your feet. Do not push back into your heels, or you see that your hips will rise. Your shoulders are not over your elbows anymore. And then you lift, pushing your heel back and switch. Lift, looking at your wrist. You can close your eyes. Now planks are already challenging. The BOSU ball makes it even more challenging. When you lift that leg, you're gonna feel the unsteadiness, the wobbliness. But I need you to continue breathing, and I need you to trust me. And let's do 4, 3, don't push back into those heels, 2, and 1. Whew. Well, that's a challenge. All right, let's do one more crunch. This time, if you have a weight, feel free to use it, okay? You only need one though. So we're gonna go back to where we were before, sitting. That weight, I want you to keep it underneath your chest, right over your core, okay? And we're gonna roll back, pulling that back down, and as you lift, push that weight at an angle. I like to say where the wall and ceiling meet. You look, see that? That's an angle. We're not pushing directly out. That would be more chest. If you want to do more chest, push it out. But we're starting to involve more of the back, lifting it up to where the ceiling wall meet. Breathe out. Breathe in. Sorry. Bringing that weight right below your chest. Push out. And why I say below your chest, because if you keep the weight up here, you're gonna be wanting to push more with your shoulders, and your shoulders may wanna lift. So if you keep the weight right below your chest, you're gonna use more of that back to lift it up, okay? As you go down, pull that lower back down. And let's do 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. You ready for one more exercise with the BOSU ball? This one, we're still gonna get the core involved, but we're also gonna get the legs involved too, okay? Arms, abs, and legs to end this. Now, you are going to take a step back, and then you're going to drop that back knee on top of the ball, okay? Keep the back toe down for right now. Now, if you have a weight, go ahead and use it. If not, no problem. Back toe is down. You are going to turn at your waistline, keeping your hips centered towards me. Push it up to wall and the ceiling meet. Bring it down to your hip. Push it up, bring it down. Now that back toe is down. If you want more of a challenge, lift the back toe up. You're gonna feel, woo, a lot more unstable. Okay, breathe, drop your shoulders, neck is long. We gotta do the other side. Let's do 4. Breathe, 2, 3. Abs are in, hips straight, 2. And 1. Put the weight down, hold whatever you wanna do. Put the back toe down, lift up, and switch. Bring it back, lift your back heel, drop your knee on top of the ball, keep the toe down right now, that back toe. And now you want your front foot to be straight. It's gonna wobble. Your toes are gonna wobble. We wanna keep that knee stable though, okay? So when you're ready, lift up. And I always feel my toes moving around, trying to find my center of balance. Breathe. And when you feel like you can always lift your back toe up. Keep it up, you're almost done. Let's do 4 more. 4, whoop. And 3, and 2, and last one. Awesome. There you go. Those are a few different exercises you can do with the BOSU ball. We got some arms, we got your abs, and we got your legs. Thank you so much again for joining me. If you liked this workout, please hit like, please hit subscribe. I also have a fitness journal that I created just for you. It's a daily journal. You can track any types of workouts. So if you do this workout, all you need to do is write the title of it in your journal and the different exercises and write how many reps you did. And over the course of days, weeks, months, you'll see those reps increase. You may see the weight you use increase, write how you feel. That's why I created their daily fitness journal just for you. You can find it on my Amazon shop. Link is in the video description. But thank you again for joining me. Make sure you hit subscribe. Here is your next video, and I'll see you in your next workout. Bye.